So this kit can be used to convert your normal petrol vehicle into an electrical vehicle. So this
in the bottom we having the two red wires, that is one wire is with transparent white cap. You need to give the power key switch. This is the power key line. You need to connect it accordingly from the other. So here it will be achieved 275 around, if you are giving plus or minus, so maximum of 300 rpm will be rotated.
Hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the new kit of 48/61 1000 watt 17-inch hub motor. So this kit can be used to convert your normal petrol vehicle into an electrical vehicle. So this kit can be used. So this is the complete conversion kit for complete fully electrical kit. So if you want to convert it to hybrid also, it is possible in this particular model. So we have the variants of 16-inch and 17-inch, and we are the one Sri Electronics and Embedded Solution introduced the 10-inch wheels can be modified to 16-17-inch hub motors. So we take an initiative for the first 16-inch, later 17. All the models are getting into the very good success ratio. So nil defect of this particular 16 and 17-inch motor can be arises so far. So this 10-inch can be modified. That is, this all are spokes type hub motor. So this can be used for low budget and the budget friendly hub motor for all the middle range of two-wheeler accessing peoples. This can be particularly used. So basically this is the full kit that we are unboxing. So this is the complete unboxing. So in this particular video we are explaining you the full kit details, and as well as we have the connecting details, and the third segment will be the testing and demo. So don't skip the video, you can watch fully, so then only the video can be hopefully understood to you. So if you want interested to book this kit from our Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions, kindly visit our website swesonlinestore.com. So we provide you the free shipping all over India. So within 4 to 5 after the order will be placed, within 4 to 5 working days your ordered material will be dispatched and reach you at the doorstep. So maximum easy EMI options are available with the entire, you can check out from the website. So if you are having any doubts, the number is mentioned above. The two WhatsApp number will be given. So that is 8122050530 and as well as 99521 Okay. If you can WhatsApp to our WhatsApp means our team, our sales team will get into the contacts, and if any clarification they will guide you accordingly for the purchase of this hub motor. Okay. So now let's move on to the there will be 3 segments. First one will be the full kit details. So in the full kit details we are explaining each and every components that is available in the hub motor kit. So second one will be the connection details. In the connection segment, how the motor and the control is getting connected to the motor, and also how the display can be done. So in this final third segment will be the testing and demo. In the testing and demo we have tested with 60 volt supply, and how much kilometer will be achieved in this particular hub motor can be explained over the testing and demo segment. Okay, now let's move on to the video of full kit details. Okay, so in the full kit details, coming to the hub motor. So this is the pure copper winding drum brake hub motor, 48/60 volt 1000 watts 17-inch hub motor. See here in the rim it will be written 3.00 into 17. Okay, so this is the rim size. So basically it will be 17-inch, coming with a brand of Kethan brand. So Kethan brand is one of the import brand distributed in the name of Kethan. So this is the complete copper winding hub motor. We strongly recommend the Kethan brand because most probably we sold out more than around 5000 plus motor already. Nil defect if any motor comes. Okay, so you can see the quality. So we providing you each and every kit with the warranty support and checking warranty and everything. So this is a pure copper winding hub motor. This 10-inch can be modified to 16 and 17 inch. 16-inch can be used for Excel Super kind of applications. So 17-inch can be used for Passion Pro, Super Splendor, Platina, Passion Pro, like that vehicle. If he having a wheel size of 17-inch, so this kit can be replaced for an fully electric conversion kit. Okay, so this is the pure copper winding 17-inch hub motor. Coming to the second part, so that one will be the quite interesting. That is the wireless smart controller coming with the Ketan brand. Okay, this is the complete kit from the Ketan brand. So this is the smart wireless controller. This will work on 48 volt, 60 volt and as well as 72 volt, but here our hub motor will work up to 48 and 60. So up to 60 volt this controller we can give the maximum voltages. Okay, and the maximum current rating will be 35 amps will be the maximum current rating of this particular this wireless controller, smart controller. Okay, so third thing will be the power key switch along with 2 keys we are providing. This is the power key switch along with 2 keys we are providing. Third thing will be the fourth thing will be the 3-speed with forward reverse throttle coming with the brand of Ketan. Okay, you can see the logo itself, it will be Ketan. Fifth item, it will be LED speedometer. See, this is the branded from the Ketan also. This is the LED type speedometer. This having the special function. You can see this speedometer can be visible at any angles. Any angles if you are looking for the speedometer, it can be visible. And also we having the full option speedometer. So we having the battery level indications here, and also once it comes to the ready state, it will be indicating. So and the main function is the predefined the kilometer can't be erased in this particular meter. If you turn on and turn off, the kilometer can't be erased to 0. It will be automatically counting as per the, once it will be turned off, it can be continued from 20 onwards, not coming to the 0. Okay, so that is what the main speciality of this particular speedometer. And this counting the entire left and right indication, with light indication, all the types of indications can be displayed over the speedometer. Okay, next thing will be the drum brake assembly. Since it is a drum brake kit, so we providing you the drum brake assembly with the drum brake shoe. Okay, next thing will be the DC to DC converter coming with a CY brand. So this will convert your 48/60 volt into 12 volt. This can be used for power supply for horn, headlight, etc. Okay, next thing will be the charging socket. Heavy charging socket will be given. So this to connect the batteries. For this can be used. So this is the controller plate. See, here we are mounting this controller plate. I am just showing. You need to for complete wiring for this purpose we are mounting. This mounting will be given. So that is why we here to come to know. Then only you should know each and every kit what are all the present. That is the main thing that you should know before you should go into bike. Okay, so that is why we are providing you all the full kit details. Okay, so first thing will be the we are providing you the hub motor 48/60 volt 1000 watt 17-inch hub motor. Second thing will be the smart controller. Third thing will be the power key switch. Fourth thing will be the 3-speed with forward reverse. Fifth thing will be the LED type digital speedometer. Sixth thing will be the this drum brake assembly. Seventh thing will be the DC to DC converter, and eighth thing will be the heavy charging socket. Okay, now let's move on to the second segment, that is connection segment. Now let's move on to the second segment, that is connection segment. Coming to the hub motor, there will be one orange color wire, output wire is coming along with this motor. Okay, so it is going to the controller. First I will turn on the power supply, so then I will explain you. So the controller we have in the top, there is blue, green and yellow. Here you need to connect the motor wiring, blue to blue, that is green to green, and yellow to yellow. Here in the bottom we have the hall sensor wiring that is coming from the hub motor. Okay, you need to connect the color to, there will be the 5-pin connector. Okay, you need to have the 5-pin connector, red, black, yellow, green and blue. You need to connect according to the color code. Red to red. Okay, and black to black. Red one will be the supply and the black one will be the negative of the supply. And this is the sensing wires, that is yellow to yellow, green to green and blue to blue.
This 5 wire will be the color to color connections. Okay, you need to connect it accordingly. And in the other side there will be the plus and minus. Here you need to connect the power supply positive to the red, that is 48/60. You need to connect here. Negative of the supply you need to connect it here. Okay, so that's all about the power connection and the 3-phase wiring and the hall sensor wiring. So next, coming to the next part, that is the power key switch. So power key switch, there will be 2 wires that is coming out. See, there will be 2 red wires are coming. So one is going to the positive of the supply. So second one is going to the it is coming from the here in the bottom we having the 2 red wires. That is one wire is with transparent white cap. You need to give the power key switch. This is the power key line. You need to connect it accordingly from the other end of the power key switch. Next thing will be going to, so we giving parallelly supply to speedometer. So once the power turn on, then only the speedometer is turned on. Okay, for that purpose we have connected the power key switch for the speedometer connections. Okay, so next set will be the speedometer, throttle with forward reverse. So only this will work on only acceleration. Here there will be full accelerations will be there. So you need to give only the acceleration. Okay, so black to black, red to red and green to green you need to connect it. So for the 1 speed acceleration, no need of going for 3 speed. This will not work in this wireless controller. Only constant speed can be achieved in this particular smart controller. Okay, and the next set will be here. We will be having, see, interpoling 72 volt and interposing 60 volt. So here if you want to connect, suppose for this kit we have connected 60 volt supply. So that is why we have connected 60 volt looping. Okay, 72 volt looping we have removed, and if you are connecting 48 volt, just remove all these things. So it will be open for 48 volt. All this thing will be open. If you are connecting 72 volt, then you need to give it directly, connect it according to the power supply. Whatever voltage you are giving, you need to connect it accordingly. So next thing will be the speed sensing. We need to giving for the reverse connections. This is the, see, back accord. There will be indication of back accord. So this wire will be for reverse connection. This will not work for if you connect this, so this to the ground supply, this will work on forward. So if you are removing this connection, so then it will work for reverse. So that is what this will maximum work for either one condition. So that is why we have connected manually for this particular thing. So next thing we will move on for the digital speedometer. Okay, so next thing will be the LED type digital speedometer we have connected. So this is the full option display we have already explained. Coming to the connection part, so you can note it down. Red one will be the positive coming from the power key switch. So we will giving, see, for example, so if we are turn on the power supply, then on the supply goes to the controller and as well as the power key, this is the speedometer. Okay, for that purpose we have connected power key switch to this power line. Okay, so red one will be the positive, green one will be the negative, and here there will be black color wire that is connecting to this green color cap. That one will be the speed sensing wire. The speed sensing wire is directly going to the LED type speedometer. And the next thing, next color code will be the yellow color. Yellow color one will be the headlight, and white color one will be the left indicator, and blue color one will be the right indicator. That is going to use for the speedometer. Once again I am repeating you. Red one will be the positive, green one will be the negative, black one will be the speed sensing wire, and yellow one will be the headlight, white one will be the left indicator, and blue one will be the right indicator. Okay, so these are all the basic connections about the controller and how the motor is getting connected. So now let's move on to the final segment, that is testing and demo. So if you want to book this kit from our Sri Electronics, visit our website swesonlinestore.com. So all over India, free delivery at your doorsteps. Okay, easy EMI options are available. So check our website there, and then only you can know the price comparative, because Sri Electronics will be giving you the very good price ranging. The entire market, this price range can't be
given to anyone, so you can be like a student's research project, or you are a DIY hobbyist, or if you are this kit can be used for anyone, those who are riding the two-wheeler, so this kit will be useful to everyone. Okay, now let's move on to the final testing and demo. So we have given the voltage, so for example we need to turn on the power supply. So first we will turn on the power key switch. Okay, so the speedometer is getting turned on here, 60 volt you can see. So once we can turn on and turn off the power supply. Once we turned on this voltage, whatever voltage you are giving, here it will be displayed. See, for example, I am turn off, I am turn on. Here it is the full option, and here it indicates 60 volt. So okay, here if you are raising the accelerator, the RPM is getting rotated, and also the battery level can be identified in this particular figure. Okay, so on the next thing, we introduce this digital tachometer in our all the videos right now. We giving you all the test records. Okay, how much kilometer will be achieved at that test bench, we will be tested with the digital tachometer. So then only you can see the live performance of this particular motor. Okay, so all the test records, here I am accelerating, one of our person will rotate, and we can giving you the exact RPM results. Okay, so now I am accelerating. First you can see the motor rotation, then I will check with the tachometer. Okay, first I will turn on the speedometer connections, so it will rotate on forward. Okay, so you can see the speedometer, the motor is getting rotated. So this one, this speedometer and the this type of controller will be very smoothing of the controller. If you are raising the acceleration, you can't see very much difference. This is a very smooth motor. So many of the older aged peoples, or I strongly recommend this particular hub motor because it is a very smooth. So this is the maximum speed I am raised the accelerator. You can see how smoothing this motor is getting rotated. If you are going for active also, we have this type of same type of kit. 16 and 17 inch models are also available in our swesonlinestore.com. Just check out our website, then only you can know. See how good the motor is getting rotated, how smoothing the motor is getting rotated. So, and suppose if we are going to, so now I am accelerating fully. So, and I am providing you the digital speedometer. You can see how much kilometer will be, that is how much RPM will be achieved, you can know. So here it will be achieved 275 around, if you are giving plus or minus. So maximum of 300 RPM will be rotated in this particular hub motor. This is the, if you are going for any kind of approval kind of activities, this kit will be very much useful, and for older aged people and the peoples also, this kit will be very smooth. I strongly recommend this. So continuously I am running 275 around, it will be getting. Okay. Sir, if you are planning for a reverse side direction to be run in this particular motor, so I am testing for reverse also. Okay, so I am deaccelerating. You can see maximum 80 km here it will be showing, but maximum around 30 to 35 km will be achieved here. Okay, so this will be this roughly it can calculate, but exactly the RPM will be the final testing RPM that is being rotated. Okay, coming to the if you are going for reverse option, I just removed this ground. Okay, if you are removing the ground connection, and I am right now accelerating to the throttle, see the motor is oppositely rotating. First time this time rotating, now it is getting anti-clockwise rotations. So you need to accelerate, step by step accelerations you need to run it. Okay, so for this purpose I am raising this acceleration. So if you want to connect in at a reverse direction also possible. If you are removing this, just remove this and you need to remove the entire connection, so this will not happen second. Okay, so reverse also possible in this particular model. So that's all about the entire connection details about
this particular motor. So if you want to place an order from our website swesonlinestore.com, you can check out and you can see the what are all the variants we have in our websites. Okay, so that's all about these things. Many of the people are watching, so right now many videos are yet to come, so kindly subscribe and support to our channel, so then only getting initiative to take part in the entire new updates to you. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.